Leader of opposition in Rajya Sabha, Ghulam Nabi Azad, said that it is too early to speak on the plans of the ruling dispensation to abolish the Planning Commission. Ghulam Nabi Azad said that the Planning Commission was set up by Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. He said the Planning Commission had been accepted across the country. He said, though there has been a mention to the alternative, but things have not been explained in clear-cut terms.
No, I think it's too early to say something about the Planning Commission. The Planning Commission, the existing Planning Commission was set up by Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. And this Planning Commission was working well. The acceptability of the Planning Commission was across the country. The state government had accepted this over a period of time. The central government, the different departments and ministries had accepted this over a period of time. And that was at least one place you know where to and who to coordinate with. And once this is disbanded, and Honorable Prime Minister said that it will be replaced by an institution, but he didn't mention about what is going to be the framework of this institution.
Ghulam Nabi Azad said there needed to be clarity on what one has to see after the abolition of the Planning Commission.
Whether it's going to be a one-man institution or is it going to be a multi-member institution. Should it be a one-man institution, that means it is centralization of power and keeping all the powers with the honorable Prime Minister and distributing the money according to his will and according to choice, and that will be most unfortunate. And should this institution be replaced by another institution, then it should be a multi-member institution. But one has to see whether this multi-member institution, who are going to the people, who are going to be the members, whether they are going to be the persons of some eminence, some knowledge of finance and planning, or they are going to represent a particular party or the point of view of a particular party. So that all shall have to be seen in coming future.
Powered by NNIS.